Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can sync dual zone climate control on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So in order to be able to do that, all you need to do guys is go here to the right side of your steering wheel. I'm going to give you guys a closer look like this. So as you can see guys right here, you're going to find all of these settings that are related to climate control on your Toyota Corolla. As you can see guys here, you can turn it off, you can turn off or on the front, rear. Here you're going to find eco mode and so on. And as you can see guys right here, if you click on this button that says dual, you're going to be able to enable the dual zone climate control. You can also adjust it if you want. So what does that do? Once you click on dual, whatever temperature that you have right here, it will be the same in the other side. If you want to set it up also to automatic, just click on this auto button and then it will be set on auto mode. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.